Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You want to start by confirming card type and reader compatibility so transfers are reliable. First, inspect the SD card for SD, SDHC, or SDXC markings and match that with the reader. This avoids format and capacity issues. Once confirmed, align the card with the reader slot, label up or follow the icon, and gently insert until it clicks. This secures contact pins. Make sure to avoid forcing the card. Proper orientation prevents bent pins and read errors down the line. After insertion, plug the Sandisk reader into your computer using the appropriate USB-A or USB-C plug. Direct ports are faster and more stable than hubs. Once connected, wait for the operating system to mount the card. On Windows, look for a drive letter. On Mac, check Finder. Open your file manager and transfer files with drag and drop or launch backup software for large batches. Doing so preserves folder structure and timestamps. If speeds are slow, make sure the port supports USB 3.x. And to finish, always eject the SD card using your OS Safe Remove or Eject command. Doing this flushes write caches and prevents file corruption. If the card doesn't appear, reseat it in the reader and try a different USB port or another computer to isolate the problem. Once done, if files still won't read, test the card in the original camera or run a disk utility to repair partition errors. As a last resort, back up any readable data and reformat the card to restore full function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.